Alright guys, quick video just showing you and walking you through replacing a check valve on, and this could be on your sump pump or your sewage ejector pump. The check valve is what prevents water from flowing back down into your pump and into that basin. So let's do a quick walkthrough of that, and also a quick walkthrough of the ball valve that I put in above the check valve. Here is what the new check valve. Got this on Amazon. It was $30. Pump Spy. Definitely would go with this. It's a completely silent pump. There is no thud, no shaking of this when that pump shuts off, and all the water from the pipe comes kind of back down a jar. There's none of that. This thing, as you can see, it's flips open and it's spring loaded, so it comes down super slow for a nice quiet stoppage of all that. This is the old check valve. It's actually a new check valve. I just put in a new pump, check valve, ball valve. I didn't know any better, so I put this one in. Super loud. Created a huge thud every time that pump would shut off. And so what I did, it's really easy. After you install this ball valve, you shut it off. You just have a little bit of water right here. You take this one off first, okay? Because you got your valve here. That check valve's here. So loosen these two. Take it off of this pipe. This pipe goes down to that pump. So take that off. Place it over here. Get a bucket underneath this. And then what you do is just undo these two. That water from this section will go into that. Actually, what I did. So this is all sitting in a bucket. And I just stuck a little piece of something, whatever, opened up that check valve, and that water just flowed out into the bucket. Loosen these up, pop this off, and then I just discarded that. And then same process in reverse. Tighten these down really well. The only thing I don't super love about this is, and I mean same thing on this. This coupling has the nice metal bracket, so these don't bulge out. But there you have it. That's just a quick, easy way to replace your check valve, as long as you have that. Otherwise, it's a little bit more messy. If you don't have this, all that water is going to need to go into a bucket, but you could approach it the same way. Now, installing this is a little bit of an extra step if you don't have one. I did it when I replaced the pump, but you'll need some of that primer and glue for PVC. But yeah, just getting yourself a chunk of PVC, get yourself the primer and the glue, and you can glue that up. It's pretty simple. These are only $10, so if you don't have one and you're doing the check valve, you might as well put one of these in at the same time. This coupling going from PVC to ABS, needed to do something there. Had to create an extra seam, but there's no way I'm replacing all that pipe to make it all PVC just so that I didn't need a seam. So yeah, so pretty good visual here. Just what that looks like. Quick, easy replacement of the check valve, installation of a ball valve. That was informative for you. Just a brief walkthrough. I have a longer video of going through and changing out the pump and putting this stuff in. But but it's just kind of basic steps. It's not a long form video going into detail or anything, so just wanted to talk that through, some information out there for you. I know that's kind of what I was looking for when I was doing this project, so have a good one. Thanks for watching.